Have you ever dreamt of starting your own online business? Imagine launching a successful venture without the burden of hefty investments or the complexities of managing inventory. That's the power of dropshipping. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unlock the secrets of this exciting e-commerce model. Get ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey with minimal risk and maximum potential. Dropshipping is a revolutionary retail model that empowers entrepreneurs like you to sell products online without holding any physical inventory. Here's how it works. First, a customer places an order on your online store. Then you forward the order details and payment to your dropshipping supplier. Finally, the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. It's as simple as that. You act as the intermediary connecting customers with products without the traditional hassles of inventory management. In today's dynamic digital landscape, where technology evolves at a rapid pace and consumer behaviours shift constantly, dropshipping stands out as an ideal business model for aspiring entrepreneurs. It offers a unique opportunity to start a business with minimal upfront costs and operational complexities. Here's why it's more relevant than ever in 2025. Low startup costs, say goodbye to large upfront investments. Unlike traditional retail models, dropshipping allows you to launch your business without the need for a physical storefront or warehouse. Dropshipping eliminates the need to purchase inventory in bulk, significantly reducing your initial financial burden. This means you can allocate your resources to other critical areas like marketing and customer service, location independence, run your business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, whether you're at a beach, a cafe, or your home office. You have the freedom to manage your operations remotely. Dropshipping offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. You can set your own schedule, allowing you to balance work with personal life more effectively. Minimal risk, no more worrying about unsold inventory. Traditional retail often involves the risk of overstocking, but with dropshipping, this concern is virtually eliminated. With dropshipping, you only purchase products when a customer places an order, minimizing your financial risk. This model ensures that you are not left with excess stock, making it a safer and more efficient way to run a business. Ready to turn your dropshipping dreams into reality? If you are liking this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Our step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. First, niche selection. Identify a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and market demand. Next, supplier sourcing. Partner with reliable dropshipping suppliers who offer quality products and timely shipping. Then online store setup. Create a professional and user-friendly online store to showcase your products. Finally, strategic marketing. Implement effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and generate sales. Selecting your niche. Finding your profitable passion. This is a crucial step in your dropshipping journey as it sets the foundation for your entire business. Without a well-chosen niche, you may struggle to attract customers and generate sales. Niche selection is paramount to your dropshipping success. It's not just about picking any product, it's about finding a category that resonates with you and your potential customers. It involves identifying a specific product category with high demand, but relatively low competition. This balance is key to ensuring that you can stand out in the market while meeting customer needs. Here's how to find your perfect niche. Start by brainstorming ideas that align with your interests and passions. This will make the process more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Choose a niche that genuinely excites you. When you are passionate about what you are selling, it shows in your work and can be a significant motivator. Your enthusiasm will translate into a more engaging and successful business. Customers can sense your passion, which can help build trust and loyalty. Research trending products and analyze search volume to gauge market demand for your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to identify what's currently popular. Look for products with healthy profit margins to ensure your business remains sustainable. High profit margins mean you can reinvest in your business and grow over time. Remember, finding the right niche is a journey. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Your future success depends on it. Sourcing success, finding reliable dropshipping suppliers. Your dropshipping supplier is your most crucial partner. They are responsible for fulfilling your customers' orders, so it's essential to choose wisely. Here's what to consider. Product quality. Partner with suppliers who offer high-quality products that meet your standards. Shipping reliability. Choose suppliers with a proven track record of timely and efficient shipping, communication, and support. Opt for suppliers who are responsive to your inquiries and provide excellent customer support. Building your online store, a welcoming digital storefront. Your online store is your virtual storefront, so it's essential to create a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience for your customers. Here's how. Choose a platform, select a user-friendly e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Design and branding. Create an aesthetically pleasing and on-brand website that reflects your niche. Product listings, write compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images to showcase your products. Marketing magic, attracting customers to your store. In this section, we will explore various strategies to draw potential customers to your online store and convert them into loyal buyers. With your online store up and running, it's time to attract customers and drive sales. The first step is to ensure your store is visually appealing and user-friendly. A well-designed store can significantly impact a customer's decision to make a purchase. Here are some effective marketing strategies for your drop shipping business. Start by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs and preferences. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts to resonate with them. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to reach your target audience. Create engaging posts, stories, and ads to capture their attention. Consistency is key, so make sure to post regularly and interact with your followers. Content marketing. Create valuable and engaging content related to your niche to attract organic traffic to your store. This could include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. The goal is to provide useful information that will draw potential customers to your site and keep them coming back for more. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and product listings for search engines to improve your visibility in search results. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and high-quality images to enhance your SEO. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters to keep your customers informed about new products, promotions, and updates. Personalize your emails to make your customers feel valued and appreciated. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your products. Influencers have a loyal following and can help you reach a wider audience. Choose influencers whose values align with your brand for the best results. Take the first step towards dropshipping success. Dropshipping presents an incredible opportunity to enter the world of e-commerce with minimal investment and unlimited potential. By following the steps outlined in this guide and embracing the world of online business, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving reality. Start your dropshipping journey today. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but with determination and the right knowledge, you can achieve incredible things. What are you waiting for? The world of e-commerce awaits.